At first when we moved in, because we were living in like a really small area for like 2 years while we were renovating this, we were both cooking, wasn't we? I was baking something, you were cooking, and we were right next to each other, and I was like squashed next to him. He was like, "What are you doing? There's another worktop over there."
We're fighting over the same oven.
We just totally forgot that we had all that extra space.
I'm Remo, this is my wife Teri, and we've got also a cat somewhere. We moved in 2 weeks before Christmas.
But been renovating it for 2 years. I just wanted someone to come out and measure so we knew the sizing, and then we shopped around, which is a bit cheeky. And then eventually I booked an appointment online in the Bedford store, and we met the designer there. Well, he was quite enthusiastic about it, wasn't he?
Give us a few ideas.
He was really excited about it because we showed him pictures, and he said, "Oh, I've not done a kitchen like this before." Initially, I wanted a shaker style, didn't I?
Yeah.
But you said you wanted something more modern.
Yeah, a bit more contemporary.
We saw the Milano kitchen, and there were so many different styles of the Milano kitchen, and it was quite good because you could change it up to how you wanted it yourself, and we mixed and matched it. And actually, I'm quite glad we didn't go shaker, are you?
Yeah, definitely. And then they matched the prices of the appliances online.
Yeah, that was good actually, because
very good price.
When he said that, obviously you're a bit sceptical that when the people say, "Oh, if you get the appliances from us, they're the cheapest." So we got the price, and then went online, and it was the cheapest.
It was.
We had a budget set aside for the barn, and then we didn't realise that Wren did interest-free, so we decided to go with that, so then we could spend the rest of the cash we had finishing everything else. I knew I wanted copper in the kitchen. He wasn't so keen, so he took a bit of bribing, but we went with it in the end. I mean, I was a bit sceptical about having something that was handleless, because they can look dated pretty quick, but actually, because we've got the nice matte finish, I actually think, you know, it's gonna look good for a while. We knew we wanted modern things in the kitchen, so when we went in, David showed us a few of the things that Wren could do. One of them that we really liked was the pull-out larder, wasn't it?
Yeah, really impressed by that. It's the best larder unit I've ever pulled out.
Also the pan drawers as well. Like, just because the drawers are so wide, you can fit so much in it. I think I've got about 6 or 8 cast iron pans in there, and it's really heavy, and they're not, it's taking that, and obviously the wide drawer for the cutlery as well. You can fit all your cutlery in there, you don't have to squash it in. I also knew, obviously, the famous Neff slide and hide oven. I wanted one of those. In fact, I wanted 2 of those. So I went into Wren, and luckily they did do those as part of their appliances. They price checked it. It was a really good price, so we ordered 2, didn't we, along with the Neff combi oven.
Yeah.
Really, really pleased with those. I feel like Mary Berry sometimes when I'm using it. Don't get that in it.